Software Spring. Presents. How to use GCD in Google Sheets. Hi folks. Greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on using the GCD function. Let's begin with an intro to GCD. GCD returns greatest common divisor of one or more integers. The greatest common divisor divides one or more integers evenly. GCD function ignores fractional part of a decimal number to determine GCD. GCD treats a blank cell as having a value of 0. Alright, here's the format of the GCD function formula. Let's look at an example. Value 1 is the first number, or a range, the factors of which GCD considers to return the greatest common divisor. Value 1 can be, for example, a cell address, range, hard-coded number, or a function that returns a number. Value 2, and others, are optional. Going forward, here's an objective of using the GCD function. To get the greatest common divisor of two or more numbers. Okay, let's type the GCD function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, type GC, and select GCD. For value 1, click this cell. Type comma. Repeat the steps for value 2, and value 3. Press enter. Click the tick mark to autofill these cells with the formula. There you go. GCD has returned the greatest common divisors of these numbers. As mentioned before, GCD has treated this blank cell as having a value of 0. As said before, the GCD function has ignored the fractional part of this decimal number to determine the GCD. Quick review. GCD returns greatest common divisor of one or more integers. The greatest common divisor divides one or more integers evenly. GCD function ignores fractional part of a decimal number to determine GCD. GCD treats a blank cell as having a value of 0. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.